Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another day in a Christine's Jamaican kitchen. Today it's raining like crazy outdoors, so I'm just gonna whip up some chicken breast, chopped up chicken breast, cooked down in a coconut milk with a pinch of curry powder. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more good recipes like these. Go ahead and do that right now. This is all my ingredients that I need for my dish today. Black pepper, allspice, all-purpose, oil, salt to taste, curry powder, coconut milk, onion, sweet pepper, scallion, spicy pepper, garlic. This is a dry piece of ginger that I'm gonna grate. Vinegar, lime, and of course your chicken. And as you can see, my chicken is already seasoned and it's marinating with I have some garlic in there, scallion, pepper, all my powder seasoning like my black pepper, my all-purpose, my Maggi, and I did put some half cup of the coconut milk for it to just soak right in. It's always best to season from overnight, having it marinate from overnight. All my seasoning, my vegetables, my scallion, my onion, my thyme, my sweet pepper, and of course, you remember I showed you that little dry piece of ginger that I dried. I grate it and it's sitting right here. My pinch of curry powder is all ready to go. So let me go wash my hands and we'll start cooking right now. Pot hot, add your oil. And don't forget to always have the measurements in the description box below. High heat. Sauté your vegetables. So all of your scallion, your onion, your sweet pepper, your spicy pepper, the little piece of grated ginger, add it to the pot. Your curry powder, boneless chicken breast cut in medium pieces. Of course, you know, you wash your chicken breast, you clean it really nice, take off whatever you need to take off of it, wash it with your vinegar and your lime. See this juice? This is the coconut milk. This is the coconut milk, guys. So you want to saute the whole thing now. So just keep stirring. 8 minutes later, you know, you want to do it until all that pink is gone. So we're ready now to add our coconut milk, the rest of our coconut milk, because remember we were soaking in some coconut milk, marinating in coconut milk when we seasoned. So we're going to add the rest of our coconut milk and let it cook down for 30 minutes. creamy, creamy, creamy. Yeah, that's how I love it. Stir. Medium to low heat. Lid it. So put your lid on it and let that simmer for 30 minutes. Dinner ready, dinner done. Look at this, guys. So I have some sorrel drink right here. I'm gonna top it off with my sorrel drink. If you wanna learn how to make this drink, click the card above. So here I have my creamy coconut chicken, and I did some spaghetti because I'm feeling for some spaghetti. But look at this, guys, and I put a pinch of curry just to give it that little color. Oh, let me just dig right in. My. So good. So good, guys. I don't know about you guys, but let me tell you, those restaurants out there have nothing on me or over me. Guys, me gone. Me go eat my dinner. Me gone. Bye. Bye. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.